Hello and welcome everyone to part 4 of the Honda Accord restoration series. So as you guys seen in the previous episode, we started the bodywork, finished the bodywork. Now it's time to continue sanding. All we have to do is, finish sanding, and also while we're at it, we grab this piece, which is some seat covers for the seats that we washed. So we're gonna be installing this on the interior, then assembling the interior back together. This is the whole kit. It comes with steering wheel cover,
Seat belts,
and all the stuff that you need to make your seats look brand new once again.
Okay folks, so as you remember we pressure washed the seats of the car in the previous episode, but they didn't clean well. So we thought of another alternative, which is this kit that we bought that we're gonna install right now.
Okay guys, so with that done, we got all the seats covered up and looking practically new. All we gotta do now is assemble the interior back together. So now we're not gonna be installing the interior back together because there are some preparations that are going on for the installation of the interior over there. So meanwhile, we're gonna be installing the rear bumper. Okay guys, so with that done, now it's time to throw the interior back together. Okay guys, so as you saw, we got the interior put back together. All we still have to do is the door cards and the headliner. So we're gonna leave that for the next time. And now we're gonna turn our focus back on the outside and we're gonna start sanding the body panels. Okay guys, so as you saw, we still have some major metal work we need to get done. So one of them is the back side of the right rocker panel. So we're gonna be slicing and dicing some new sheet metal in it, making it flawless once again. Okay guys, so now we cleaned everything out and we also cutted all the rusty parts out. Now we got this Mercedes-Benz front fender that we rebuilt on the channel before. We're gonna recycle some metal from it and cut the patches that we need. We took some measurements, we're gonna draw the lines and cut them straight out. Okay guys, so here we have the first piece of the puzzle. We're gonna patch it by sections. This is gonna be the first section. We're gonna be using this. So we need the bend over here, as you can see. I am making an edge with this chisel just to guide it with the length that we need, and then we're gonna bend it out. Okay guys, so now that we got the first patch piece ready to be welded in, we cleaned everything up and also we traced it on. Now we're gonna fire up this generator, fire up the flux core welder, and weld her in. guys, so with that done, we finished patching this piece. Now we're gonna turn our focus on the other side where it needs to be patched under the front fender. So as you can see, we removed the fender to reveal this madness here. So we're gonna start by cleaning some stuff out, removing all the rotten metal, then adding some new sheet metal. As you can see guys, we finished welding in this patch and it blended in perfectly, and you can tell that it was patched from a distance. And meanwhile they kept sanding on the car, sanded all the body panels and made her ready for the first coat of primer. We're gonna paint a coat of primer to seal everything up and also to guide us and show us where it still needs some minor body filler here and there. So now we're gonna start spraying it in. Okay guys, so as you saw, we laid on the first coat of primer. We're gonna use this coat as a guide coat also for some minor body work that the car still needs. Anyway, we've made a lot of progress in today's video. Firstly, we assembled the interior back together, and also we made a lot of metal work. We patched some rotten parts on the front side and the rear side of the rocker panels here and there, along with a whole bunch of body work around the whole car. We applied a lot of body filler and we sanded it all down. Then we threw on the first coat of primer right here. So now we have reached the end of today's video. In the next video, we're gonna be focusing on the mechanical side of the car. Firstly, we're gonna be replacing the clutch disc on this car. We're gonna be showing you a fully detailed video on how to diagnose and replace your worn out clutch. Stay tuned for that. If you like what you see and want to see a bunch more of it, make sure you subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, comment down below. See you on the next one. Peace.